What would happen if you stopped eating sugar for just 7 days? No sweets, no soda, no hidden sugar at all. Sounds easy, right? Well, I tried it, and the results were shocking. Sugar is everywhere. From your morning coffee to your favorite snacks, it's almost impossible to avoid. But too much sugar can lead to weight gain, low energy, and even serious health problems. So I decided to challenge myself. No sugar for 7 days. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what happened, day by day. The first 2 days were honestly the hardest. I didn't realize how addicted I was to sugar until I completely stopped eating it. It felt like my body was constantly asking for something sweet, especially after meals. The cravings were strong, and sometimes very hard to ignore. I also started feeling tired, a little irritated, and even had a mild headache. At first it felt uncomfortable, but then I understood this is actually normal. My body was used to getting quick energy from sugar, and now it was trying to adjust without it. There were moments when it felt like my mind was convincing me, just one bite won't hurt. But I stayed strong, and that's when I realized this challenge is more mental than physical. By day 3, something interesting started to happen. The cravings didn't disappear completely, but they became weaker. I still wanted sugar, but it wasn't controlling me anymore. I started to feel like I was gaining control over my habits. My energy levels also became more stable. I didn't feel those sudden highs and crashes like before. Normally, I would feel sleepy in the afternoon, but now I felt more focused and active. Another surprising change was in my taste. My taste buds started to reset. Fruits began to taste sweeter, more natural, more enjoyable than ever before. It felt like my body was learning to appreciate real, natural flavors again. By day 5, I could clearly feel a big difference. My body felt lighter. Not necessarily a huge weight loss, but I didn't feel bloated anymore. I felt more comfortable, more relaxed after eating. My digestion improved. That heavy, sluggish feeling after meals was gone. And mentally, I felt clearer. My focus improved, and I felt more in control of my decisions instead of reacting to cravings. That's when I truly understood. Sugar wasn't just affecting my body, it was affecting my mind too. Day 7 was the most surprising part of this journey. I looked in the mirror, and I noticed a difference. My skin looked cleaner, slightly brighter, and healthier than before. My energy stayed steady throughout the day. No sudden drops, no ups and downs, just a consistent level of focus and motivation. And the best part, I didn't even miss sugar anymore. That constant craving, the one that felt so strong in the beginning, was completely gone. Here's what I learned from this 7-day challenge. First, sugar is more addictive than we think. Most of the time, we don't even realize how often we're consuming it. It slowly becomes a habit that our body depends on. Second, your body can reset faster than you expect. In just a few days, I started to feel real changes. My energy improved, my cravings reduced, and I felt more in control. And third, you don't need to completely quit sugar forever, but simply reducing it and being more mindful about what you eat can completely change how you feel, both physically and mentally. This experience showed me that small changes can create big results. And sometimes, the hardest part is just getting started. So, should you try it? Absolutely. Start with just 3 days, then 5, then 7. You don't need a perfect diet, just small changes. Because sometimes, the simplest habits create the biggest results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple health tips. And remember, your health starts with what you eat. Starting today,